So we had some water that was slowly leaking down into the basement. It was discovered by one of my children, called Spartan. They were out the next morning. I'm actually in the plumbing waterworks industry, so I'm well aware of Spartan and their reputation in the community. I like the fact that they're family owned. I like that they're local. So initially we had done a remodel in the house. A lot of things in this house were from 1987. They needed some updating. Called Spartan, had them come out. They sent a technician, estimator out, went over the project with them, what we wanted done, what we wanted to see done. Gave us a bid that day, explained everything clearly. It was about 8 months later, we had an O-ring fail in one of the fixtures that we had chosen. Initial work was done great. It's just one of those things that happens sometimes, you know. Initially when the leak was found, I was worried, and I remember though that the estimator at Spartan, he had mentioned the Spartan Shield program, which we signed up for, which covered all of our work 8 a.m. Somebody was here, took a look, got the problem solved. They got that valve replaced, worked with the manufacturer, and got the charges covered for getting all the repairs done, and we're back and no more water. Through the communication process on that was fantastic. Worked with Spartan anytime I had a question I could call. They were right there to answer the questions, let me know what the next steps in the process were. They stood behind their work. It was great. There's a million people out there that, you know, have a brother or an uncle or somebody else who can do it. It went from life experiences. It's sometimes just not worth it. It's nice to call an expert, have it done once, have it done right. It was just nice knowing that people that are showing up knew what they were doing.